This is the Black & Decker oven that I ordered, and I'm using it for the first time on Thanksgiving Day. And as you can see, if you want your temperature on 450, 400, here's the broil up here. The broil is on for when you put it on these temperatures. Broil should only go on when you put it to here. When you put it to there for broil, you put it on broil. You know what happens?
Show me.
The top thing usually will go out.
Nope, this one. This one. Here, wait, show me.
Toast,
Go ahead, you find it.
broil, that's on. But when you turn it to here, it stayed on broil and it burnt on marshmallows. So this Black & Decker oven doesn't work, and I'm not able to return it to replace it. This knob is not proper. You can see it's still on broil, and I have it at 400 and 350. So it would be nice if someone could help me with this.
Tiene un golpe en un costado que se ve bastante feo.
So this is what it does.
Set the toast and the timer stops, so you have to come over and
Nurse it along. No shame. It's a nice, oh, there it goes again.
Let me show you how loud this is not. So right now it's in air fryer mode. You can hear it. Now look, the noise a plastic bag makes in comparison.
Shows 200. I set it to 450. The time is working, but it's just on.
Is this normal? It just doesn't turn on. Sorry.